Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья!
Hello and welcome to Vocabulary Lesson 11 of the Practical Russian course for beginning students. In this lesson you will learn about the conjugation of verbs and how to use verbs in the present tense. Remember to repeat the words out loud after tomorrow. In lesson number 6 you learned about infinitive verbs and how to conjugate them, which you can see in the info card above. Some verbs, such as
Читать,
to read, are conjugated using the first column.
я читаю,
I read,
ты читаешь,
you read,
он читает, она читает,
he or she reads,
мы читаем,
we read,
вы читаете,
you read,
они читают.
they read. Now you're going to learn 3 new verbs.
Писать,
To write,
хотеть,
to want,
смотреть.
to look. Note that in
Читать,
when conjugating the verb, you take away the t and the soft sign. But for the 3 new verbs which have another conjugation pattern, the 3 letters in red are replaced. Note that the letter s in the stem of
писать,
in the second column is changed to
ш. Я пишу,
I write,
ты пишешь,
you write,
он пишет, она пишет.
he or she writes,
Мы пишем,
we write,
вы пишете,
you write,
они пишут.
they write. Note that the letter t in the stem of
Хотеть,
in the third column is changed to
ч. Я хочу,
I want,
ты хочешь,
you want,
он хочет, она хочет.
he or she wants,
Мы хотим,
we want,
вы хотите,
you want,
они хотят.
they want.
Смотреть,
Is conjugated by replacing the last 3 letters by the endings in the 4th column as follows.
я смотрю,
I look,
ты смотришь,
you look,
он смотрит, она смотрит.
he or she looks,
Мы смотрим,
we look,
вы смотрите,
you look,
они смотрят.
they look. To write in the infinitive form is
Писать,
to say I write is
я пишу,
To say you write is
Ты пишешь.
To say he or she writes is
Он пишет. Она пишет.
to say we write is
Мы пишем.
to say you write is
Вы пишете.
to say they write is
Они пишут.
to want in the infinitive form is
Хотеть.
to say I want is
Я хочу.
to say you want is
Ты хочешь.
to say he or she wants is
Он хочет. Она хочет.
to say we want is
Мы хотим.
to say you want is
Вы хотите.
to say they want is
Они хотят.
to look in the infinitive form is
Смотреть.
to say I look is
Я смотрю.
to say you look is
Ты смотришь.
to say he or she looks is
Он смотрит. Она смотрит.
to say we look is
Мы смотрим.
to say you look is
Вы смотрите.
to say they look is
Они смотрят.
In this lesson you have learned about the conjugation of verbs and how to use verbs in the present tense. As you proceed through this practical Russian course, your Russian language skills will increase incrementally and will become long-lasting. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell and like this video.
До свидания.
And we will see you next time in the practical Russian course for beginning students.